you doing? Oh yeah? What'd you do with that pouch? And your baba, where is it? You get the baba? Baba? Baba. Where's the pouch? Did you finish it? You get it? Go get it and bring it back. I throw it away if you're done. I throw it away. Throw it away. Go get it. Raven, what'd you do with Daddy's shoes? That's not where they go. Mom. Oh, you found the baba? Yay, you found baba! You know where it is. You know where everything is in this house. I don't, but you do. Bring me the baba. Mom. Bring me the baba. No, no throw, baby. Bring me the baba. Bring mommy the baba. Thank you. Good boy. Bring me the baba. He's like, wait, no, you're not going to give it back. I need to throw it. He's getting less interested in the camera. He's only trying to get it about 50% of the time, so that's pretty good. Hello. Hello, Mr. Chubby Cheeks. You can't have it, baby. I'm sorry. He's very messy, baby. Baby, give me that pouch, please. It's over there. It's over there. It's over there. He tries to give me stuff and then he changes his mind because he never gets it back. Oh yeah? Draven, jeez. I wanted to get him a baby laptop for Christmas because he won't leave my laptop alone. But with the way he throws things, I don't know if it would last more than a day or two. So, I don't know. Hello. Hi. He is a goofy baby, he really is. Is it just me or he gotten really tall? Seems like he had a growth spurt. Hello? Who's there? Somebody knocking on the door, Draven? Draven, come here. Come here. Give Mommy a kiss. He's hyper. He talks a lot and walks a lot. Baby, how old is Draven? How old is Draven? How old is Draven? Is he 11 months old? Yeah? That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Draven. Hey. He doesn't feel like talking to the camera. He just keeps on going back and forth and back and forth. Hello. You say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.